뭐? 뭐놓고 뭐뭐
Hi there. Let's see how you can design this cool looking minimal presentation in PowerPoint in just 5 or 6 minutes. So you will after the video you'll get a customized 3-step infographic slide, and let's see how we can do this together. So first of all, I want to keep these two slides as a reference so that we can get a solid overview what we have to do. So take a new slide, and from this one get rid of everything. And I want to, let's see that the background color is a bit grayer one. Let's achieve this background. Right click, format background, and then from color, so go to the solid color, solid fill, and more colors, and then custom, and give a code like F3. The code will be F3, F4, and F5, and hit OK. So we have got the background. So we have got the background color, and let's take the text here. Control C, and then paste, Control V, and you can put any kind of text. And I have inserted this shape. Let's customize this arc. Take this arc and draw like this, and so that it gets a pencil-like or pen-like vibe. It feels much more raw and authentic. Fine. Now see here, the next step is to create this dotted line or oval line that has covered the timeline in a circular shape. So for this you have to take this oval and draw like this. This much is fine. Okay, this one is cool. Now go to shape outline, and no outline, sorry, I have to shape fill, no fill, and shape outline. I need to give a dashes, and the dash would be is the second dash one, so it something looks like something this. And the color, I will change the shape outline color to this dark gray. So the pathway is ready. So the time is to design these shapes. So go to insert, and then this flow chart option. So we can go to insert, and then shapes, and then under flow chart you will get this shape flow chart of his connection. So you will get it from this section, flow chart of base connection, this one. Don't press shift, actually I have mistakenly pressed the shift key. This size is fine. Okay, now go to shape fill, and go to outline. For shape fill, select this fill, and shape outline, no outline. Now let's select this oval and hit shift and draw a circle like this, and place on the arc as a pointer of the timeline. And shape fill, select this green that I have selected earlier. So we are halfway to the design. Now it is time to create the text box. So go to shape and rounded rectangle. This shape is cool to see, and then shape outline, no outline, shape fill. I will go for the white color, and under shape effects, go to shadow, and then top shadow like this one. Offset top. We are almost done with the shape parts. Hold shift and select all the shapes, and now Ctrl G to group all of them. So it is now shape. Now hit Ctrl Alt Shift and place to the other side of the arc. So we got another shape, and Ctrl T to duplicate and place in the middle. Now this is fine. So now our job is to change the colors. So for this one, select this blue, change this color to blue, and for this one, change this purple. Is purple or violet? Okay. Now this one is done almost, so we need 3 icons here. Let's go to insert, icons, let the icon panel load, and I am selecting 3 random icons, or let's select this one. Okay, so these are pretty much black icon, which doesn't look good. So first of all, place all of them. Make them smaller and place. But now we need to change the color. Give a grayish color so that that doesn't look so much harsh. This is fine. Also apply color to these shapes as well. Now see, we are done with the first slide. So we are 70% done with the whole design. Now this slide we have some text, so Ctrl C to copy and duplicate this slide. Let's get rid of the text here and get rid of the shape as well. Hold shift and select all of them and make them bigger so that we can put the text here and place them in the middle. Fine. So now change the icon placement here and change their shape fill to white. This one is fine. Also fine. Sorry. Select the icon. Okay. Now change the shape fill to white as well. Now we have to place the text here. You can draw a text box and select the area where you want to use the text. So this is font size is 18, which is pretty big. Justify the font, but I think yes, 12 is fine. So Ctrl D to duplicate the text and another Ctrl D. Right, fine. Now we are almost done. So this is the first slide and the second slide. Select both of them and go to transitions. and then morph transition. That's already awesome. So let's play it. Yep, that's cool. So thank you for watching the tutorial. So you can leave a comment if you like it, and if you face any difficulties, you can let us know. We can we will try to give a solution as soon as possible. Thank you.